I'm going to show you how to install GB WhatsApp perfectly on your phone. This video is very important. Pay close attention. Share it with your friends. They might need it too. Let's get started. Watch carefully. For example, let me install GB WhatsApp and you'll see what's happened. I click on it. I tap on install. As you can see, it gets blocked. Now, how to fix it? I'm going to show you how to do this step by step. Give this video a like, subscribe if you haven't already. Let's go. Now, go to your phone settings, scroll down until you find security and privacy. Tap on it. Now, deactivate auto blocker. It's very important. Now go back. Let's try to install GB WhatsApp one more time and you'll see what's happened. It's not magic. This is the trick. It's installed successfully. Wow guys, I don't want you to miss my next tips and tricks. For that, just subscribe. See you in the next one. Take care.